Welcome back to How To Authority. Now, if you're having issues with Reddit not working, be it the app crashing on your phone or just not loading if you're using a web page, there could be a lot of reasons for it. So we'll be going through a lot of them in this video. But first and foremost, you want to check if Reddit itself is currently down or not. By going to this website, you can check the server status live and see if there's any issues currently being reported. If the Reddit servers are just down, well, there's not much you can really do apart from just to wait until they are back up. However, if they are reporting as working completely fine, that means it could be an issue on your end. And in that case, there's quite a bit of troubleshooting you can do depending on which platform you are on. So the first thing I'm going to do is close and reopen the Reddit app. On Android, you want to go into settings, then go into apps and see all apps. From there, you want to find Reddit on the list and then tap on Force Stop, confirming by selecting OK when prompted. On iPhone, slide your finger up from the bottom of the screen and then hold it like that for a couple of seconds until your app overview menu will show up. From there, you want to select Reddit and then slide it up to close the app. And if you're using the browser version of Reddit on either operating system, then just do the same but with the browser app instead. Then finally, on desktop, you want to hit Ctrl-Alt-Delete and then select Task Manager, then click on your browser, which will most likely be Chrome, and then hit End Task. If that doesn't help, you can also see if there's any updates due to the app that could fix this issue for you. On Android, you want to open the Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right, then click on Manage Apps and Devices, then go on to Updates Available and see if there is an update to Reddit there. If so, select Update and it is going to get going. On iPhone, you want to go into Apple's App Store, tap on your profile icon yet again, and it's going to list all apps with available updates. So you just want to once again find Reddit there and update it if there is an update available at all. But maybe it isn't Reddit that needs an update, maybe it is your actual phone's operating system. In that case, on Android, you want to go into the Settings app and then head into System, then System Update, and from there you want to check for any brand new updates that are available. If so, carry them out, which will of course also mean restarting your entire device at the end of the process. Then, once again on iPhone, go into Settings, then into General, and into Software Update. If there is anything available, Apple will let you know, and then from there, you want to tap on that download and install button towards the bottom. Then finally on Windows, go into your Settings app, then tap on Windows Update from the list on the left hand side, and then click on Check for Updates. If it does bring up anything, click on Download and Install, and it will begin the process. And it will once again require you to restart your PC at the end of the process. But what if it isn't Windows? What if it is your browser itself? Well, in the case of Chrome, you want to click on those three dots in the top right, then go on to Help, and then go on to About Google Chrome, where you'll be taken to this tab where it will tell you if Google Chrome is up to date, and if not, it will prompt you to install any updates. You can also try to clear Chrome's cache and see if that maybe finally fixes the issue for you. Once again, click on those three dots in the top right and go on to Settings, then on to Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and then select cookies and other site data alongside cached images and files. You don't have to delete your browsing history here. And then simply click on Clear Data. If you want to try it on Android, you want to go onto Settings and then Apps, and then once again find Reddit in the list of apps that will appear. Tap on Storage and Cache, and then tap Clear Cache. You can also do clear storage as well to see if that helps. While there's no real easy way of clearing cache on an iPhone, what you can try is just to uninstall the app altogether and then reinstall it by holding down on the red icon for a while, then selecting Remove App from the menu that pops up and then confirming deletion. You can also just restart the device itself and see if that helps. In most cases, you just hold down on the power button until a menu pops up. From there, you want to go on to Restart. And it works pretty much the same way on Android and iOS. While on PC, simply just click on the Windows button, then on the power icon, and then click Restart from the list that will pop up. Finally, you can also just check if your internet connection is fine by just searching up literally anything online and seeing if it works. If it does, then still probably on the side of Reddit. However, if nothing else does actually work, then it could be your internet router needs to be restarted, or maybe your Wi-Fi in general is currently down because of some issue, for example, on the side of your ISP. However, it could also be that Reddit is just blocked on your current network. Things like, for example, work or school networks can ban specific websites or apps, especially social media. So those are all of the basic troubleshooting steps you can take to fix Reddit not working. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.